Guys, in this video, I'm going to unfold an important aspect of my IELTS preparation. I used to suffer really in IELTS writing and I wanted good amount of topics so that I can practice more and improve my score. Now, if you are one of those who are looking for some resources that offer you lot of questions, lot of practice tests and sample answers, then I have an important website to share. For me, in my preparation, IELTSmentor.com has been really important for the complete journey under writing section. As you can see on the screenshot, guys, the number here denotes the number of clicks, hits, I can say, which means people have opened these topics. This is really authentic, guys. There are sample answers, comments by actually IELTS test takers that you can see. So let me now, guys, give you a mock preparation, a mock, show, a demo on how I picked up the topics and how I went across. Before I proceed to that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I am picking this topic, guys, that music is an important aspect to bring the people from different culture and ages together. Music plays a crucial role in our lives and eliminates differences among various cultures and generations. It symbolizes harmony and reflects humanity. So, I agree with the notion that music helps bring people from various cultures and generations together. If you see in the first paragraph, now I have highlighted the last 3-4 lines. Guys, you have to begin with one generic sentence and then take a side. So this red highlighted line shows the side that I have taken in this complete essay. So that is one important take. Hence, you have to make a note. You mention this side in the first paragraph itself. Proceeding to the second paragraph. One of the reasons music excretes the barriers among different nations and cultures is that people enjoy music from every part of the world and it speaks the same language which embodies human joy, emotion, love, and sorrow. Music does not need interpretation to be enjoyed and understood as it touches our hearts and resonates in our minds. No matter what language we speak or understand, we appreciate the melody and depth of music, which is why people of all ages can sit together and enjoy the music. For instance, some viral music in foreign languages in our country signifies how it speaks our mind and heart rather than just a human language. Now, guys, coming to the 3 pointers. You have to ensure that in the first paragraph, you give proper reasoning for the side you have taken. Give at least 2 to 3 pointers, one of which could also be an example. Like in the end, you see that one point has been further explained with the help of an example, which is really crucial. Coming to the third paragraph of the essay. Moreover, nations influence each other with the type of music they produce and the type of musical instruments they use. This amalgamation reduces cultural differences and brings people from different cultures and ages to common platform. To cite an example, many music genres that we enjoy these days were derived from multiple nations and cultures, and people from all these cultures enjoy and love them. Now, in the second paragraph, guys, you have to sometimes start with moreover, or if you have contradictory points, you have to say however. So now, to further elaborate my pointers, you have to give 2 or 1 more pointer with the help of an example, or just give 2 pointers. That is also suffice. Now, very important thing is the conclusion. Conclusion has to be short. You can also write, unlike in the screenshot, you can also write a conclusion containing 3 lines. That's all. Now let me read. Finally, music is enjoyed by all, and this helps reduce the generation and age gaps among people. To illustrate, when the national anthem is played, children, adults, and elders all tune to the same emotion, which is patriotism, and their unity is stronger than ever. The same can be said when music evokes other emotions like love, sadness, and so on. Besides, some music categories are loved by all. and the listeners feel a sense of togetherness in a divine way, which is almost absent in other art forms. It not only eliminates age gaps but also the generation and cultural gaps. Guys, now to highlight here, you have to make sure that you mention firstly pointers that have not been repeated in the previous paragraphs. Secondly, you have to summarize. It's like just wrapping up the whole thing so that even if the test taker doesn't read the above paragraphs, it is clear to him to the side you have taken in the essay and what you have spoken about. That's why I have mentioned these points that you can pick up for this particular topic. So proceed for every essay, proceed in the same way and try to pick up three important pointers and mention them in every paragraph. Like for second and third, 2 to 3 pointers are important. In introductory, you have to take the side, and in conclusion, you have to really summarize well. So likewise guys, you can pick any topic, underline the important pointers, do as I said, follow that same practice. That's the best practice for me and you can also follow that. And if you like it guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with others so that they are also helped in this process.